Hi, sometimes it may be daunting or intimidating in Blender if you don't know how to model specific shapes. I will show these two shapes. This one is a cube with a triangular face, and this one is steps-like shape. Today we are going to see how to model these two. I will delete these objects. X. I will add a cube. Go into edit mode, tab. Go to vertices select mode, select one vertex and then Ctrl B and then left click to confirm. I will select vertices tab here and then set the width to 1. I will tab out of edit mode, and as you can see, I already have my shape here. So I will scale it and grab it to X axis and then add another cube, as I'm going to make steps shape. Grab it on X axis a bit. I will press tab to go into edit mode. Go to edge select, select this edge and then press Ctrl B for bevel. I will stay in edge select, effect, set the width to, let's say, 1.8, almost 2 because I have this one of 2. Go to segments and set them to 10. And then make sure that you are in custom, preset, and then steps, as you may get different results depending on what you had done previously. So now if you set that, you get the steps. You tab out of edit mode, then you scale on Z axis. There we are. As you can see, we have our steps like shape, and then with our cube with a triangular face on one of the vertices. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial. Please continue to subscribe so that you can get notification for the future tutorials. Bye.